Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So now that our application is done, Tiwi Hub is done, so let's take a look at it. So I'm just going to spin up Chrome here, web browser real quick, then let's visit our site. So this is Tiwi Hub billing system that I've been working on, and now it's live for everyone to use. So you can just sign up and get started. So currently I'm using it for this site. It's actually my internet that I'm using, and I'm just sharing with neighbors and all that, but you can see that I'm getting something out of it, and I have not implemented an complex access point that has a broader outreach. So let's take a look at this. You can see you have today's revenue there, how many users are active, how many paid today. You can see the site status here. It's online, one user currently, and uptime is 1 hour and 50 minutes. You can see the revenue in the last 7 days. So this is a good thing to have as your part-time business. You can start selling your own Wi-Fi. So make sure you sign up to Tiwi Hub and onboard your router, and that's it. So when you sign up and get this dashboard, you can just go to router management and make sure you have your router connected to your laptop, and MikroTik router, that is. Then get to inbox. So once you have Winbox, it will help you configure your MikroTik router. Just new terminal and just paste this, copy this and paste it in that your terminal. It will auto configure everything and you get yourself online. You can see the payments here, payment success and those which are failed and all that. It has pagination, so you can next. So you have all those payments. Also you can, on router management, also you can customize how the portal will appear to your customers. So let's say I can change this to let's say something like green, like that. I can also come here and say, well, give it something hotspot, then support number. I can also add that, so it will just give them a link. You can also preview it here, open full portal. So it's going to have that here, all your plans and all that. So I need to save the changes first, and then go back to this preview. So you can see I have that. So this is how it will appear in your customers. So select, enter phone number and all that. Another thing, so that's for hotspot. Let's go to radius logs. You can see the number of active users by site, by own thing, how many minutes they spent on it. So there's that data from radius. Reports is just analytics of your revenue and all that. There's nothing much. The trend and all that. You can voucher lookup, see the active vouchers. So you can see this one has expired for 1 hour. So this 24 hours is still active. So this is a good opportunity for just to get a cash from a side. So you can just search Tiwi Hub. It's me open as a guest here. Tiwi Hub. So once you have that, just go for the first link, the then you can create your account here. So give out your username. So just sign up and all that. And in case you are facing any issue, let me know, and you can reach me via email or on my number WhatsApp. So for those that are keep asking about the source code and all that, yes, we can talk business on the source code. So also reach me out on my email, and see you on the next one, guys. Peace out.